today's Ford Model A Q&A.
Today's question comes from Al.
Hi, Al.
Hey, Al. He's saying, I step on the starter pad inside the car and it will not do anything. I've checked both fuses to the starter and they both look okay. A guy I know said that the wires could be loose from the starter pedal. I can't find anything even in the books to show how to take the starter pedal off to see if the wires are hooked up or one of them has come loose.
Okay, this is a lot to unpack. So first of all, there should not be a fuse in line between the starter and the battery. The starter requires hundreds of amps. And the fuse he may be talking about is the fuse holder that we add that runs the rest of the electrical system of the Model A. And they mount to the starter switch. That's a convenient place to put it, or you can put them in line. But that is obviously not the same as a fuse that would go in line between the battery and starter. Normally it's just a solid cable from the negative of the battery to that post on the starter switch, which is on top of the starter. And then the positive goes to the chassis of the car. So a few things could be happening here. If you're hitting the starter and nothing happens, number one, is your battery charged? I mean, that's like the easy stuff to check. I mean, if you call Microsoft for technical support, they're going to ask you, is the on-off switch in the on position? Okay, so we got to do the basic, get that out of the way. So number one, make sure your battery's charged. Okay, now moving on, make sure that you have proper connections. So what happens a lot of times is the ground connection, which was a braided cable originally. People replace them with a big heavy wire or whatever. Make sure it's making good connection to the chassis. And what I like to do on our cars is I run a positive cable from the positive post of the battery to the engine itself somewhere. And I like to use those 9/16 bolts around the flywheel housing. And I just run the cable to one of those. I scrape the paint off, make sure it's good contact on the flywheel housing, bolt it down there, the other end to the positive cable, boom, solid ground. Now I've grounded the chassis, grounded the engine directly, so even if the pans aren't making good connection or whatever, I got a solid ground there. Maximum current, okay? Now, next thing is starter switch. The starter switch itself is basically a brass piece of strip that touches the button on top of the starter, and hundreds of amps run through it. Okay, so a lot of times that can become pitted or sometimes even damaged somehow. So take the starter switch apart, 4 screws right on top of the starter, take the starter switch off, just look at it, you'll see it right there. There's nothing hidden in the starter switch. So make sure that's all correct. Now the very last thing, it could be the starter itself. So there's a reason why they make starter rebuild kits. They do fail, they do wear out. So it could be the brushes, it could be the commutator, it could be lots of things. So if all that checks out, if you've got 6 volts to the starter with the starter switch, the button is making contact, then it's the starter that's probably the problem. In which case, take the starter out. Options are either order the parts, rebuild it yourself if you feel comfortable doing that. If not, a lot of the Model A part suppliers have a service where you can send them your starter as a core, pay whatever fee, they'll send you a rebuilt starter.
Wow, that's pretty sweet.
Good luck.
Keep those Model A's driving for generations to come.